Hey guys, it's Mike here from Unique Chrysler, and beside me today is a beautiful red Jeep Sahara Unlimited. This particular Sahara here is equipped with a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine that spits out approximately 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, which is capable in all weather conditions. It could be off-roading, wherever you guys so choose to drive. Quick look at the wheel here. All Saharas here are equipped with a 17-inch aluminum wheel and a full-size spare in the back as well. The neat thing here about the Sahara that separates it from other Jeeps is the ability to go off-roading. If you come to the front here, the clearance from the bumper allows the ability to go over rocks, wherever you guys so choose. Alright, now inside the Sahara here Unlimited, some of my favorite features here are the 8.4-inch touchscreen, which is compatible with Apple CarPlay and also Google Android Auto as well. A backup camera, which does display beautifully on the 8.4-inch touchscreen. Keyless remote entry as well. There's one feature I do like with the vehicle as well. Obviously a push start is included. All right guys, taking a look here at the 8.4-inch touchscreen. Going over apps. Today we'll take a look at the travel link and how to use that. So we go to travel link, top left, click that. You'll come to a display here that has fuel prices, weather map, movie listings, my favorites, SiriusXM, and sports up there. So for instance, we'll go to fuel prices. Kind of a neat feature here, you get to see nearby gas stations and the price of fuel as well. So that's kind of helpful and kind of fuel up. The weather as well, kind of showing today. You can use a 3 and 6 hour kind of time gap, a 5-day. You can also customize your location as well to wherever you're situated. The weather map, kind of a neat radar look here in the Sahara. It provides you with kind of an overlook, kind of a radar of where you're situated and what's coming. So here, radar precipitation, any rain in the forecast. Right now, not too much. Up here, you can go to sports. Scroll down, you have pretty much virtually every sport here. Kind of teams and schedules, you can go in there, see what time your team plays at, what day as well. Kind of a neat feature there as well. And that's pretty much this, your travel link. And there you have it guys, your 2020 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited. My name's Michael, we're here at 915 Walker's Line, Unique Chrysler. Come check out your Sahara today.